Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve Levay with the T3 Live Halftime Report. Currently, we are about as flat as we can be in the market. We're down 1 point in the S&Ps, down 10 in the Dow, up 2 in the NASDAQ. A couple of things I'm looking at today. Let's get right to the charts. First and foremost, and I tweeted about this earlier, Netflix, NFLX. As you can see here, we have a stock that had no idea which way to go. It was strong off the market open, but then what it did, it developed this beautiful wedge, which tells us that there is an impending move at some point going to happen. You have to wait for it and wait for the wedge to be broken. It broke to the upside here, but it's not trading super great. As you can see, it hasn't really penetrated the wedge that much, and it's making its way slowly to the highs of the day. I'm in very small right now. Hopefully it's going to hold that wedge, can make some money. I'll add to my position if it starts really showing me some volume. But again, that is a very potent pattern that we talk about all the time in our Momentum chat room. So, keep an eye on that pattern. Also, made money today in Stratasys, SSYS. As we know, yesterday, DDD and SSYS were very strong. They do trade with one another. And the funny thing was, I made money on this move here, shorting what looked to be a possible rounded top. If you break this down to a 2-minute, you can see it started looking like a rounded top right here on this red bar. And what happened coincidentally on that same time frame was DDD had this type of move. So I made money short in SSYS, and the great thing about SSYS is that it got right back to highs, which leads me to believe, as you can see, it's riding this trend line higher here, leads me to believe that we're going to see all-time highs, and this all-time high start at, or sit at 79.25. So through 79.25, we could get a nice breakthrough trade on this. It just depends. As you can see here, I'm drawing in a W, which signifies a very potently strong pattern through the top. Measured move would be 68 to 80, which should basically give you $12. This stock could see 92 in the coming weeks. Again, that is a very potent pattern that if you don't know, again, you should contact our T3 Live customer service and look to possibly join our Momentum chat room to learn more about those chart patterns. The other stocks that I actually made money in today felt like I was going back to 2007 and 2008 were JKS and TSL. FSLR also was setting up a nice, great move here on the 5-minute, on the daily, through 33.17. It's setting up nicely on the 5-minute right now. But what I noticed earlier was JKS. Look at this chart on JKS on the daily, gang. It's had a great move from 4, setting up nicely here. Got a nice push through 7. 714 is current resistance in this stock, right about this range here. Through that, we should see 8 or 850. So, again, felt like 2008 trading TSL and JKS, but who knows how long that'll last. With that, everybody, again, if you're interested in any things I talk about, look us up on t3live.com. Contact customer service. And with that, everybody, I'll talk to you all on VTF.
Hi, I'm Sean Hendelman of T3 Live, where we train, coach, and mentor traders in order to help you put your money to work with confidence. The T3 Live approach is a blueprint for you to recognize, adapt, and ultimately take advantage of different market conditions. To begin your training with T3 Live, we would like to offer you the opportunity to enroll in our free 30-day online home study course. Fill in your name and email address, and I'll see you on the other side.